Most people don't think. They react. They follow. They copy. They live in mental autopilot, waking up each day to the same routine, the same worries, the same doubts. And they wonder why nothing ever changes. But if you're hearing this right now, it means a part of you is ready to wake up. Let me tell you something Napoleon Hill discovered. Success begins in the mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Think about that. Every invention, every breakthrough, every empire, it began with a thought. A single idea held long enough, believed deeply enough, acted upon with intensity, can change the course of your life, or even the world. But not just any thought will do. You must learn how to think with precision, with purpose, with power, because your thoughts are not harmless. They are the architects of your reality. If you constantly think about failure, you'll create failure. If you think about excuses, you'll attract reasons to stay small. But if you train your mind to see opportunity, to seek growth, to expect greatness, then you will rise. Thinking correctly means you no longer let emotions control your direction. It means you stop asking, "What if I fail?" Start asking, "What do I need to learn to win?" It means you take responsibility for the thoughts you allow to live inside your mind. You see, the brain is like a garden. Whatever you plant grows. If you plant fear, you harvest hesitation. If you plant doubt, you harvest inaction. But if you plant clarity, purpose, and belief, you harvest success. But planting isn't enough. You must protect that garden from negativity, from the opinions of small minds. It's from your own self-sabotage. Thinking correctly is a daily practice. It's not about being positive all the time. It's about being powerful in your thinking, being deliberate in your choices, and being disciplined in your focus. Now here's the deal. Your thoughts determine your altitude. Your beliefs set your boundaries. Your perspective dictates your progress. If you want more, you must think bigger. If you want to break free, you must shatter your self-imposed limits. Your current life is a reflection of your past thinking. If you want a new life, you need new thoughts. If you want new results, you need new beliefs. And the beautiful truth, you can begin today. No one can stop you from thinking differently. Not your past, not your failures, not even your surroundings. The moment you change your thoughts, you begin to change your reality. This is the secret most never discover, that your mind is your most powerful tool and your most dangerous weapon. Napoleon Hill didn't just teach success, he taught how to think, how to master your inner world so the outer world bends to your will. He said, "Whatever you give your mind to, with belief and clarity, becomes real." That means the only limits that exist are the ones you accept. Reject small thinking. Reject the lies they told you about who you are. Reject the excuses you've used to stay in the same place. And replace them with a new standard. I think with purpose. I act with clarity. I believe in possibility. I build a life from the inside out. When you learn how to think correctly, you don't just change your mindset, you change your destiny. So ask yourself daily, is this thought helping me? Is it building my vision? Is it aligned with the future I want? And if not, let it go. Replace it. Upgrade your thoughts like you upgrade your tools.